Unlocking the phrase, in the clear, a guide to clarity in English expressions. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, in the clear. This common English idiom might seem puzzling at first, but fear not. We're here to dissect its meaning and usage, ensuring you can confidently integrate it into your everyday conversations. In the clear is an idiomatic expression that means to be free from blame, guilt, or any form of trouble. It typically implies that someone has escaped a difficult situation or is no longer under suspicion. It's like emerging from a cloud of uncertainty into a space where things are transparent and trouble-free. The phrase, in the clear, is believed to have originated from situations where someone was escaping through a forest or dense area, and finding themselves in a clear, open space meant they were no longer hindered by obstacles or hidden dangers. Today, it's used more figuratively to describe a situation rather than a physical location. Using in the clear is fairly straightforward. Let's look at a few examples. After the investigation, the suspect was found to be in the clear. Once we finish this project, we'll be in the clear for the weekend. I paid my debts, so I'm finally in the clear financially. Be cautious not to confuse in the clear with phrases like clear out or clear up. Each of these has a distinct meaning, and mixing them up can lead to confusion both for the speaker and the listener. And there you have it. Understanding the phrase, in the clear, can add nuance to your English conversations and help you convey your thoughts with more precision. We hope this video has shed some light on this expression and that you're now in the clear about using it in your daily language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.